In traditional sheet metal fabrication, manufacturers are facing more production challenges than ever. Heavy reliance on manual labor, low cutting efficiency, traditional sorting systems limited to thin plates, standalone machines with no complete data connectivity, basic PLC control with limited functionality and scalability. To solve these challenges, Morn Laser proudly introduces the BIPOD Series Intelligent Laser Cutting Center. By deeply integrating the intelligent material warehouse, the Truss Composite Loading and Unloading Robot, the high-speed cutting unit, the BIPOD sorting unit, and the centralized master control system, powered by a powerful software ecosystem, SUPERVISOR receives production orders directly from ERP and MES systems, or imports CAD drawings locally through ALMACAM nesting software, automatically generating cutting paths and sorting data. SUPERVISOR then sends task files to the high-speed cutting unit for automatic processing, while continuously monitoring cutting and sorting status in real time. SORTWARE reads the production data, automatically generates gripping positions, stacking layouts, and motion trajectories for intelligent part sorting, enabling truly digitalized, automated, and intelligent manufacturing. The entire production workflow begins with the intelligent material warehouse, supporting 4 to 15 storage levels, fully customizable based on customer needs. Each storage location supports up to 5 tons of net load and accommodates sheet sizes up to 6,000 by 2,500 millimeters. Built with a high-strength steel structure and a servo-driven lifting system, it ensures fast, precise, and stable material storage and retrieval. On the software side, STOCKWARE fully integrates the material warehouse, loading and unloading systems, and laser cutting equipment. Master control, communicating directly with the laser cutting machine. Scheduling, integrated with CAM nesting software to automatically prioritize cutting tasks. And inventory management, allowing users to view material ID, material type, dimensions, thickness, and storage location in real time. Material handling is automatically completed by the Truss Composite Loading and Unloading Robot, built with a gantry-type 3-axis structure, with a maximum suction capacity ranging from 300 to 2,000 kilograms, selected according to sheet weight. Equipped with a vacuum matrix gripper, automatic sheet separation, and power-off, air-off anti-drop protection. At the heart of the production line is the high-speed cutting unit. Built with an aviation aluminum crossbeam and a high-speed servo system, it delivers up to 2G acceleration with a maximum linkage speed of 180 meters per minute. An axial fan on top, combined with a zone fume extraction system, makes production cleaner, safer, and more environmentally friendly. Equipped with an intelligent bus control system, the machine delivers advanced smart functions. Intelligent piercing enables second-level penetration without spatter or lens damage, greatly improving efficiency. Automatic recutting ensures complete cutting by detecting uncut areas and reprocessing them automatically, enhancing overall stability. With one click, processing reports can be generated, including cutting data, consumable life, and maintenance reminders, clear and transparent. The intelligent cutting head features high-speed edge detection for automatic calibration, maximizing both safety and efficiency. With closed-loop monitoring and built-in sensors, it enables rapid diagnostics and early warnings. The anti-collision design allows quick recovery after impact, reducing downtime and operational costs. Optional crossbar enclosure for enhanced safety, environmental friendliness, and stability. The automatic nozzle changing system handles inspection, replacement, and calibration automatically, enabling reliable 24/7 unattended production. After cutting is complete, the BIPOD Intelligent Sorting Unit takes over automatically. Powered by dedicated SORTWARE software, the system automatically generates gripping positions, group stacking layouts, and gripper motion paths. It automatically picks, sorts, and stacks finished parts, while supporting color recognition for workpiece identification. supporting automatic sorting for plates from 1 to 25 millimeters. Maximum gripping weight up to 240 kilograms. With multi-axis synchronized motion, the overall unloading efficiency is increased by 60%. Finally, the automated scrap collection system completes the entire production loop, enabling truly unmanned, continuous production. For even greater automation, the system can be integrated with AGV transport vehicles. Once stacking is completed, SUPERVISOR automatically calls the AGV, moves finished pallets to the next process, and automatically replenishes new pallets. To meet the needs of different industries, the BIPOD Series offers flexible configuration options to support different sheet sizes, thickness requirements, and production capacities. Morn Laser BIPOD Series Intelligent Laser Cutting Center, redefining the future of intelligent laser cutting.